Hey guys, I'm at a new restore I haven't been to before. Lots of light bulbs. Nothing. Hope that doesn't give me copyrights. At least they take... Oh, this is kind of cool. I'm not going to get it, but it's kind of cool. What's back there? So at least they get lots of cool stuff. I don't see anything that speaks to me. But the fact that they have a decent fan selection. Oh, these are nice, these ladders. Oh, they're the Restore's ladders, got it. I just bought something like this. How much is it? Maybe I'll get another one. $7, maybe. Sure, why not? I could always use more. Okay, well that's it for right now. Thanks for watching.